Hey guys, it's Kinley Clark from Bunny's World. Sorry about that noise, it's just my dad working in the back. Cause sometimes if you watch Misfit Garage, he's Kevin Clark, and of course he'll be working on a car. So that's what he's doing. Today we're gonna make slime. Remember when I made this awesome green slime? Today we're gonna be making some blue slime, glitter slime. Let's get started. So I already got my borax solution inside of here. I'm just gonna add a little bit more because it may have faded away already. I know it's already the same day, but I don't care. Now we're just gonna add some glue, some Elmer's glue. There we go. So inside there's our Elmer's glue. Now we're just gonna pour the borax solution into there. Now let's mix it up. This one's okay slime. I mean, it's not as good as that slime, but I think this one turned out to be a fail because I don't really like it. I think I add way too much borax. But it's the way it is. Well, I guess now, just a sad story. Look at that. You know what? I'm gonna do this. I think I can do this. I'm just gonna put it in this empty bowl right here. Okay, now maybe I can just add a little bit more glue into there. Okay, a little bit of borax in it. Great. It's a sad, sad story, I guess. So, here we go. Well, there's our not so good slime. But I guess we can still make it blue. But something could still happen. It could still turn out kind of well. I mean, it's not as good as this one. Here, let me show you this slime. This slime is awesome. I think this one's probably my favorite slime out of all of mine, and I have lots of slime. I really do. I still have a big tub. Not right now, because it's somewhere else right now. But yeah. And this one right here is a little bit like, it's not sticky. It's like kind of chunky, but let me go get some blue glitter. So this one's actually getting better, but it's not as stretchy anymore. It's just really purple. Now we're just gonna add in the blue glitter. Oh, whoa, that was a lot more than I expected. Mix that in. Ooh, that's actually way a lot. Whoa, that's like way too much, I think. Whoa, sorry, y'all fell down. Here, let me mix this all up now. All right, now time for a satisfying moment. Go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye! And remember, always love bunnies.